Good afternoon. It's Kelly DeBross here with another great listing getting ready to hit the market. You might see behind me a Camden Park townhome. We're going to go inside here in a moment. I'm going to show you two master bedroom suites upstairs with a laundry and a nice open concept on the main floor. As you can see, it's an end unit, and I'm going to do a quick 360 so you can get an idea of the neighborhood, and we're going to go inside. So let's go. Here we are at Camden Park. You're going to notice a lot of natural sunlight coming into this breakfast room. This is the living room. As you can see, we have a nice gas log fireplace, a great wall for hanging our flat screen TV, and plenty of room for a nice corner couch. Out that back door, you're going to find a patio, some storage, as well as some buffer of trees. The downstairs also has a half bath and a really nice breakfast area with some built-in. And of course, we can't forget this awesome kitchen with the built-in wine rack. It gets you a nice up-close view. Smooth ceilings, everything's like new. Upstairs, we do have a dual master plan. So you can see plenty of room for a large bed, some more built-ins, a full bath. This place is move-in ready. It's not going to need anything.